Hey guys, Aubrey here. Today I'm doing the Eureka Math Grade 5 Module 4 Lesson 21 homework. So let's get started. Number 1, fill in the blanks. So A, 1/3 times 1 equals 1/3 times 3/3. So 1, if a fraction is a whole, the denominator and the numerator need to be the same number. So 3/3 is a whole because the denominator and numerator have the same number. And they put 3/3 because you want to end up getting to 9, and 3 times 3 is 9. So on top would be 3/9. And since you're multiplying by 1, then in the end you're getting the same result. So 3/9 can be simplified to 1/3. Alright, B, 2/3 times 1. So if we're getting from 3 to 21, we multiply by 7. So I give you 14 over 21. And C, 5 halves. If you want to get to 25, multiply by 5. So 25 tenths. Now D says compare the first factor to the value of the product. Well, they're the same, basically, if you simplify the fractions at the end, because you're multiplying by 1. So B product, because multiplying by 1. Alright, number 2. Express each fraction as an equivalent decimal. The first one is partially done for you. So 3/4. So decimal, you want to get a fraction with the denominator ending with 100 or 10. Alright, so 3/4. 4 times 25 is 100. So both sides need to be multiplied by 25. So 3 times 25 would be 75. 75 over 100, put in the decimal point, that would be 0.75. So B, 1/4 times 25 times 25. That's 25 over 100, which is 25 hundredths. Now C, 2/5. Well, 5 times 2 is 10. So you can just multiply by 2 to get 4 tenths, which is 0.4. Now D, 3/5. 5 times 2, 6 tenths, 0.6. Alright, and E, 3/20. 20 times 5 is 100. So you can do 3. That's 15 over 100. So 15 hundredths. And F, 25 over 20. 20 times 5 is 100. 25 times 5 is 125 over 100. 125 hundredths. Alright, next page. G, 23/25. 25 times 4 is 100. So multiply both sides by 4. 23 times 4 is 92. 100. So that's 92 hundredths. H, 50 times 2 is 100. So 89 times 2 over 50 times 2. 89 times 2 is 178. 50 times 2 is 100. So that's 178 hundredths, 1.78. Now I, 3 and 11/25. So first we can leave out the 3, but do the 11/25. So 25 times 4, so that means 11 times 4. 44 100ths, so that's 0.44, but add the 3, that's 3.44. Because 3 is already a whole. 3 wholes. J, so leave out the 5 first. 41, 15. Do 41 times 2 over 50 times 2. Get 82 hundredths, 0.82. And add in the 5, that's 5.82. For 3, 6/8 is equivalent to 3/4. How can you use this to write 6/8 as a decimal? So 100 can't really divide by 8. But 3/4, 4 goes into 100. So 6/8 equals 3/4 equals 3 times 25 over 4 times 25, just 75 over 100. 0.75. So it helps because it's easier since 4 goes cleanly into 100. So no remainders or anything. And number 4, a number multiplied by a fraction is not always smaller than the original number. Explain this and give at least 2 examples to support your thinking. Alright, so example 1, we multiply a number by a whole. So we can do 5 times 5 over 5, because 5/5 is a whole. Then you get 25 over 5, which is still 5, the same number as before. So 5 over 1, we can say same. So it's not smaller. But if we were to take 5 over 1 and multiply by like 1/2, we get 5 halves, which is like 3 1/2. I don't know, what the heck? No, 2 1/2. So that's like smaller. Alright, number 5. Elise has 3/4 of a dollar. She buys a stamp that costs 44 cents. Change both numbers into decimals and tell how much money Elise has after paying for the stamp. So 3/4 of a dollar. So we gotta go out to decimal. 4 times 25 will give you 100. Oh wait, hold on. 3/4. 3 times 25 over 4 times 25. 75 over 100. So that's 75 cents. So after using 44 cents, how much does she have left? What is 75 minus 44? Is 31. So 31 cents is our answer. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video helps. And please don't forget to like and subscribe because it really helps out my channel. See you guys next time. Bye!